Hello children. Today let's learn articles and how to write a leave letter.
Articles a and the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a, an and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is a, an and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a, an and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is, about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls.
Articles. There are three articles: a and the. A and the. Look at the following sentences. Can I have a banana? Can I have the banana which is lying on the floor? So these two sentences. First sentence, a banana. A banana and the banana. What is the difference between these? So a banana, we don't know which one of the speaker is talking about. So we don't know the speaker is talking about which banana. Look at the next one, the banana. We know which banana it refers to. One particular banana, one that is on the table. So from this, it is clear. The banana which is lying on the table. The particular banana which is lying on the table. The speaker is talking about the particular banana which is lying on the table. The particular banana. So a banana means any banana. We use a or an when we are talking about a person or a thing for the first time. So when we are talking about a person or a thing for the first time, we can use a or an. When we mention the person or thing again, we use the. So in the first sentence, you can use a or an. If you are using, or if you are mentioning the person, the name of the person again, you can use the. I saw a man. The man was walking. I saw a man. The man was wearing a hat. So, no need to use a or an again and again. Use a or an when we are talking about a person or a thing for the first time. If you are talking about that person for the first time, use a or an. When we mention the same person or thing again, we use the. Look at these examples. I saw a man walking his dog. The is also used before the following. So the is used before the following. Some other cases. Name of the rivers. With the name of rivers, you can use the Godavari, the Ganga, the Nile. You can use the before the name of a river. Look at the next. Name of seas. You can use the before the name of seas. The Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, etc. Then, name of things which are only one of the kind. You can use the before the things which is only one existed in the whole world. The moon, the sun, the earth, the moon, there is only one moon. The sun, because there is only one sun, the sun. The earth, there is only one earth, the earth, the Pluto, the universe, etc. Then you can use the before some books like the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, because there is only one Quran, there is only one Bible, there is only one Bhagavad Gita. So, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, etc. Writing an application asking for leave. So in the previous classes you learned the informal letter. There are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter is for official purpose and informal letter, you can write informal letter to your friends, relatives, etc. So here is a formal letter. Leave letter is a formal letter. An application written to principal or class teacher asking for leave is a formal letter. So leave letter is a formal letter. The layout of a formal letter is different from that of an informal letter written to friends or relatives. So the format of formal letter and informal letter is different. The language of a formal letter is polite, clear and concise. So the language used in a formal letter is polite language. So because we are requesting something, so the language is polite and it is clear and concise. So concise means short. The letter is brief and sentences are short and to the point. So you have to include important things, only the important things in this letter. Contractions are not used. Contractions like I, want, etc. are not used. Each new idea is introduced in a new paragraph. So each paragraph consists of a new idea. It should be brief, concise and clear and should use polite language. Now let's have a look at a leave letter. Here is the format of a leave letter. So you can write your address here. After writing your address, write date. Then after the date, here write the address of the receiver. So receiver. So if you are writing this letter to your principal, you can write the principal, then you can write the name of your school, the principal, St. John's Public School, South. If you're writing this letter to your class teacher, you can write here to the class teacher, 5A or B, St. John's Public School, South Parole. Then after writing the receiver's address, then you can write the subject. So what is the reason for writing this leave letter? So the reason, you can write the reason as subject. A grant of sick leave for 3 days. Okay, then after writing the subject, next one is greeting. So you can greet like respected sir, respected ma'am, or sir or ma'am. So after the greeting, you can start writing this letter. So you can write like this: I'm suffering from fever. I'm suffering from fever. So I have been unable to attend school from. So you can write the date here. The date from 1/2/2021. Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. Then thanking you in anticipation, yours truly. Then you can write your name here. So this is a leave letter format. Address, date. Here you can write your address, date, receiver's address, subject, greeting, then body of the letter, then here gratitude. Gratitude means thanking. Then yours truly, then your name. So this is the format of this letter. Here is my version of letter. You can write your own. Thank you.